Welcome to my workshop. In this video, I will show you how to make these 3D hearts in origami technique. And since it's the Valentine's Day soon, you can even hide a small gift inside. To make this heart, I'm using a square of paper 15 by 15 centimeters. Let's fold it in half. Unfold it, turn it around and fold in half again. This way we've marked our first reference lines. Bend one of the sides towards the center and fix the bends properly. Do the same on the other side. Now bend one of the sides towards the center once again, but this time only mark the bend. This way we mark the quarter that we will need for reference later. Fold the workpiece you've got in half. Now, referring to the marked quarters, make the following bends. Bend the top corner of the quarter, and then the same corner, but to the diagonal line you've just made. Do the same on the other side. Now fold the whole side to the marked quarter line. But form the proper bend only here. Repeat the same symmetrically. So these are the lines we get, and this is the central pattern. Now let's shape the bottom of our heart. Fold the corners towards the central line. And then the same corners, but to the diagonal. Using these longer lines, we will now fold this corner inside. One line is bent in the right direction, but the other one needs a little hand. Same on the other side. Now let's take a look inside. Using the lines we've marked, fold the corner like this. This way it will keep its shape properly. Do the same with the other triangle. On the other side, do the same job first. Fold the corners towards the center, then the same corners to the diagonal. Then just turn the corner till it's in the right position using the previous line. The heart is almost ready. Now let's shape its top. Using the small triangles that we've made in the beginning, hide the corners inside like this. It already starts resembling a proper heart, doesn't it? Now we need this square. Bend all of its edges in the same direction, like this. Now, if you join the corners at the bottom of the heart, it will take its shape all by itself. Now look inside to see how our small corners are doing. Unfold them just like we did at the bottom so that they stay in place. And the final stroke, joining the sides of the heart together, just like that. See how cool it looks? I'm not the greatest origami master, so I was a bit worried about how my corners were going to stay in place, so I decided to fix them with a little drop of glue, just in case. If you take a sheet of paper with some pattern on it, your hearts will look even nicer, and you can even hide a little secret gift inside. This is the best way to make a paper heart that I've come across. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, hit like, and watch other cool videos on my channel.